Good evening. You are appearing for State Bank of India Manager, Foreign
Uh,
Exchange, Derivatives, and also what is that? Research. Very good.
Research,
So,
yes.
can you please tell us about yourself?
Myself, I'm Sadhna Jaiswal. I have total 8-year experience in treasury. Uh, uh, my bank experience is in treasury. I work in cooperative bank. After that, I work in PSB. My first bank was Dombivli Sahakari Bank, where I worked in treasury only, where I do the trading, forex trading. But the forex trading was limited. After that, I switched to Union Bank. I worked as a forex dealer. I handle currency future and bullion trading. After 1 year, I got an opportunity to work in Punjab National Bank as a manager profile. The name was Manager Treasury Specialist. I worked in front office in dealing room as a USD INR dealer. After that, I worked in back office where I worked in reconciliation department and treasury research as well as MIS.
So, what exactly is the job role you are performing nowadays?
Currently, I got my desk is changed to reconciliation, where I do the reconciliation like nostro matching. All the outward remittance we send to all the customers send the outward remittance, and from that we do the reconcile. We do the matching from nostro matching to our mirror matching, and we check whether the remittance go with a correct detail or not. Majorly we are handling our fund, like it should not be overdraft, it should not be over credit, and it should not be overdraft. That what we are handling in different currency. We are handling in USD, GBP, JPY, and even AUD, NZD. These are the nostro we are these are the nostro we have. And although there is a vostro also, but vostro there is a different team for that, there is different department. So
Oh,
basically,
excellent.
prior to that I worked in resource decks, where I used to handle the PCFCs, FCNR. That was a small part, and I handled the cross currency swap settlement, where we used to exchange the interest rate, where we used to pay dollar and we used to receive INR. That was I used to prepare. I used to prepare the ALCO report also, and even ALM report also, which is used to submit to risk department. After that,
Since when you are in Punjab National Bank?
2021. I've joined 2021.
Oh, nearly 4 years over.
Uh,
Very good. What about your family?
Family, total 6 people are there. My mother, father, my elder sister, she is married. She has a two daughter, and my elder brother, he is also married. I'm the third one, and my younger sister, she work in Union Bank. She is in forex. I work in Punjab National Bank. I'm in treasury. My brother
Oh,
is software
your house,
engineer.
your family itself is foreign exchange family. Good, good, excellent. Why you are not married till now?
Uh, I'm not married till now. I'm looking for a good groom who can understand my career also.
Can you not
Actually,
get somebody from Punjab National Bank?
Punjab National Bank or are very much younger or very much older. Nobody at my age.
Oh, oh. That's doesn't matter. Good. So you have no problems in being posted anywhere.
No,
No problem. Or you will ask for Bombay. Or which place are you working now?
I'm working in Bombay only, Bandra
Bombay.
Kurla
Okay.
complex. Yes.
Will you ask for Bombay posting or will you be okay if we post you to Chennai?
Yeah, it's fine for me. It's all about my profile because I like this department treasury very much. It is my
Very.
like personal like profile.
Yeah, now actually you will get scale 3 in your own Punjab National Bank
Hmm.
next year. Why are you coming to our bank?
Uh,
After all, salary difference may be marginal, not much.
no, actually, sir, not. I'm already since 2 year. I'm due for promotion also.
Oh,
Uh, yeah, and this is also I'm promotion for. I'm due for promotion. But thing is that now, I after completing the tenure of Punjab National Bank, I will get transferred to any other department.
Oh,
So that is the
in
reason.
Punjab National Bank, you may be posted as branch manager. Why should you not take it up?
No, sir, I want to be expertise in derivative market, only forex basically.
Oh,
And
oh.
that was because I have a branch experience also when I start my career. Uh, it's like every people have different aspect. Some people like to work in branch. I like to work in forex, specifically trading. I like the much, so that is my core field. So I
Oh.
want to make my strong repo. Like I'm just state myself that I'm a beginner. I want to learn more, and this is I love this department actually.
So you have passed some CAB, JAB and all.
Actually, CIB, GIB, yeah, I've passed GIB recently only,
Yeah, what
waiting for
about
the.
why you are not passed CAB after working in bank for 8 long years?
Sir, firstly, though, I was worked in private. I joined the Union Bank in 2020, and in 1 year, I got opportunity in Punjab National Bank, where I
But
work in a.
even then, 5 years is a long period for passing out CAB. It doesn't matter. You have not shown interest because you could have learned more about foreign exchange theoretically also. Correct?
That was I wanted to do the CIV, but due to some personal reason, like my mother was not well, so I needed time to take care of her also and job also because I'm a kind of person I can focus on one thing only. I can't do one at a time. So that for that I need a proper alignment. If I'm studying, if I'm proper mentally free, then I can study well. I can clear the FRM also. This
Good.
year I was willing to do the FRM, but my mother health was not good. That is why I postponed my exam to Feb month. So in Feb month I will do the FRM and
Very,
CIB. I
very good.
planned
What
as
is
per.
it? What is FRM now?
FRM is a financial risk manager.
Oh, financial risk management. That's fine. Now, can you tell me what is foreign exchange trading?
Sir, what?
What is foreign exchange trading?
Foreign exchange trading is basically is the currency exchange where we do the currency exchange from like uh, one place to another. We can say like for doing export business and import business, we need a foreign currency. That is what we do the forex. Like if I'm selling my good uh, selling my good to another country, for that also I need a foreign currency, that is we call a PCFC
So, what is
FOB.
the position of foreign exchange trade now in India?
Position of.
Foreign exchange trade, how it is? Is it volatile or is it of the same rate? How things are in the foreign exchange market?
Foreign foreign sorry, foreign exchange market are currently volatile. It is a volatile actually, not currently. It is a in forex is like active 24 into 7. But as per the guideline, we have to do the trading. There is a time which is set like 4:30. Beyond that, we can't do. Banking
So,
RB
what is,
doesn't allow.
if you are aware, what is the rate at which dollar is going now?
Yeah, currently it is 88.74.
Yeah. What about pound sterling?
Sterling point is 103, I think.
No,
103.
116.
116. Okay.
103 is what you are having in mind. Euro
Achha,
102.
GBP, okay, okay, correct. Pound you said.
Yeah,
Sorry, my mistake. I listened
yeah.
something else.
Then
Huh.
the other Japanese yen, 100 Japanese yen.
Japanese yen is last week I have seen it was 57.82.
Exactly. Around 56.42. Fine.
It
That's
fluctuates.
very good. That's very good. Now, what is the present repo rate?
Present repo rate is 5.5.
What is the present CRR?
CRR is 3.5.
No, 3.25. From
Achha,
November 1, it is 3.25. From
achha,
November 29, it will become 3%.
achha. From November 29, it will become 3%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what is the present SLR?
18%.
Correct. How do banks maintain CRR?
How do bank maintain CRR? See, like I never worked in that, but I have read CRR is like the bank put some portion like 3% to RBI. It kind of considered loan so that in any
You are struggling so much. You need not struggle. You can simply say with CRR 3.25% of the total deposits bank has to maintain in its current account with Reserve Bank of India. Could you
Okay.
follow? Exactly. That's right. Now, coming to foreign exchange, what is currency pair? Define
Currency,
a currency pair.
currency pair. Sir, currency pair is basically there are always a two currency pair. One is base currency and one is fixed base currency and one is like dominating currency. In base currency always dominate to another currency and it provide a underlying value. Like USD INR, in this case, USD is the base currency and
Fine.
USD.
Sufficient. What is spot rate?
Sir, what?
Spot rate.
Spot rate.
SPOT. Spot
Ah,
rate.
sir, spot rate is a uh, T plus 2. It is a rate which is added the premium.
Not that way. Normally, spot rate is the rate for immediate currency delivery. Today, spot rate is the
Hmm.
exchange rate for immediate currency delivery. Then what is forward contracts in, explain forward contracts in foreign exchange.
Forward contract is a contract. Uh, uh, Forward contract is a contract where the premium is added and it is delivered in a future date.
Talk from the angle of banker. From the angle of banker, you are a banker. You tell to whom will you give forward exchange contract? Tell me.
Customer, first of all, the importer also book the forward contract and as well as exporter also.
Exporters, do they give for forward contract because the rate has been dollar has been rising steadily, so
No,
they
not
will
right.
get more money at a later date. Are there
No,
instances where people exporters also come to you
right
for?
now, right now exporters are not booking the forward contract. Only importer are booking because they want to hedge the
Yeah,
currency. And
that's that's fine. That's fine. What are the factors that affect exchange rate?
for the factors are USD INR driver, you mean to say, no, sir?
Pardon? Now, what are the factors that affect the foreign exchange rate?
The factors are the interest rate change of the country. Whenever there is any meetings happen, like in US FOMC meeting happen, whenever there is a rate cut is there, it impact on currency. Secondly is the political reason, like we say the geopolitical reason, war or economic slowdown, unemployment. Like recently ADP, NFP data was released like yesterday only, where there was a unemployment was increased like 1 lakh 19,000, which was a very
Oh,
depression for US. So these are, and even one is condition is it is inversely impacted by interest rate, economy, geopolitical reason, politics, any war happen. These are the condition on
yeah.
which the
And
currency.
also trade balances and
Trade,
monetary policy.
bilateral trades and trade
Yeah,
balance like
monetary
USD.
monetary policy of a country also affects the exchange rate. Very good. What is PIP in FX trading?
PIP.
PIP, PIP.
PIP is pips are you can say a basis points, sir. Like when it's kind of premium actually. Whenever we do the rating, we do the technical analysis. If the USD rate is 88 today, And in future, it is like increasing by 89. So there is a differential,
No,
difference
but
between.
here the answer is given differently. With trading, the smallest price change in a
That
currency pair
uh,
usually 0.0001 for most pairs, 4 digits.
it's kind of
Smallest
minimum,
price change. PIP is known as the smallest
small.
price change. Can you
This
explain bid and ask prices?
the bid is the buying rate and ask is the selling rate normally.
What is
And
currency appreciation?
currency appreciation, currency appreciation means whenever the currency value, it get a good value. Whenever there is a change in interest rate, the currency automatically appreciate. Interest rate when there
What
is a
is
FI close.
what is long position in foreign exchange?
Long position means like we have to buy. We are buying the position.
Long position is buying a currency, anticipating its value will rise. Do you mean you are keeping it with you more foreign exchange on the hope that the value will go up for us and there will be gain for us? That is known as long position. Opposite is what?
Short
Op-
position.
Opposite of long is
Short position.
short position. Good. What is leverage in foreign exchange trading?
Leverage. Sir,
Leverage.
uh,
LEV.
leverage.
Yeah.
Sir,
Using
I
borrowed
don't.
funds to increase potential returns, but with higher risk. Using borrowed funds to increase potential returns, but with higher risk. Okay, good. How do interest rates impact foreign exchange rates?
Sir, interest rate impact based on the I have said earlier already, country economy. Like sometime recent news is US only. There is a
No, no,
employment.
no, no. The question is don't, don't tell about what you have already told. I was asking how interest rates affect exchange rates.
Their interest rate affect currency.
Exchange rates.
Exchange rate. Sir, interest rate is directly affect the currency. Like if there is a high rate of interest in India, so eventually the foreign investor is going to invest in our country for a good return. In this case, our
Correct,
currency will appreciate.
correct. Fine. Good. You told correctly. What is risk management in FX trading?
Risk
Uh,
management in FX trading, the major is market risk. Most important is market risk only we see, like the fluctuations of the currencies
but here it is
and
given
liquidity risk.
strategies to limit losses,
Huh.
including stop loss orders
Okay.
and position sizing. I have not worked in that. I can't tell you what it is.
No,
You
correct,
must
sir.
be, yeah. What is the difference between spot and forward markets?
Sir, spot is a 2-day delivery and forward is a future delivery which is decided by the
How
like
is
party.
how is forward rate calculated?
Sir, forward rate is calculated with the premiums and the number of days we are taking the forward contract.
Why does foreign exchange matter for banks?
Forward exchange matter for bank.
Why it is important for banks?
Sir, forward exchange is important because we have to balance like our reserves, and in future if we want to import anything like India buy a lot of crude oil, for that we
No,
also
no, I'm
need.
not talking from the country as a whole,
Okay.
from the bank as it is. They facilitate international trade, investments, and hedging. What is hedging?
Hedging means to to control the whenever to control the risk, kind of. Whenever you feel there is a high risk, so you start hedging. Like you start doing like selling. If I feel that the
Yeah.
rate
What is the significance of US dollar uh, in foreign exchange?
significant of US dollar, because US is the heaven currency, we say safe haven currency, and the
It's a primary reserve currency. Yeah.
Uh, and
Correct,
it is
correct.
the major exporter also in all over country. Like it export crude oil, which is required. So it's a, and even the IT technology also US export a lot. So that is why it dominate.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me about the efforts taken by the government to stop the increase in dollar value or increase the value of our currency? So, what steps government has been taking in the recent past?
Steps have taken by government. They have done SREVA account, like special Vostro account, where is a kind of INR currency should be used more as compared to dollar.
Mm.
We can say a de-dollarization concept. And we are trading with Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bhutan. So these are the initial steps we are taking.
What about the BRICS step? You are aware of that?
No, sir, BRICS.
There are some steps taken by the government in respect of BRICS countries, but maybe it has not fully materialized. Please get to know about it.
Okay, sir.
What are derivatives?
So derivative is a contract where the underlying asset are valued of that contract. It have a drivers, we can say swap, forward contract. These are the drivers so that we use the transaction in this exchange traded market, OTC. These two basically we do the trading. So it is a
Name
kind of underlying asset.
name types of derivatives in foreign exchange.
It's swap, forward contract, options,
Hmm.
and futures.
Can you explain? Because I have been reading about it all the time, but I'm not very clear about what is a future, what is an option, what is a forward. You have already told. What is a swap?
Swaps are exchanging a currency.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, it is a kind of exchange of currency where the requirement, like I can't say in a
No, no,
definition way.
is it not like this? Swap will be when we are buying dollar, we also take steps to sell it.
Yes.
That is, it's a kind of, please get to know the correct definition. What is futures?
Futures is the it is traded in exchange traded firstly, and future is a kind of contract where do the delivery in future, where the specified date is agreed between two parties that on this day we will going to
Okay.
do the transactions.
Options?
Option is a kind of obligation where it is given a right to buy, a right to sell.
Very good. Mm, giving the right to buy or sell at a specific price
That's the
is
same
option. Good.
option.
Swap, here it is given simultaneous borrowing. That's it. Just as I told you. Simultaneous borrowing and lending of two currencies at different maturities. That is known as swap. How does derivatives trading help in risk management?
Derivative.
It hedges against adverse price movements in currencies. It hedges against adverse price movements. Okay. Um, define margin in derivatives trading. What is that?
Margin.
Margin.
Sir,
Margin.
margin.
The define margin in
Yeah.
derivatives trading.
Margin is a kind of a every bank every
Here,
bank put the
but
margin to earn the profit.
here the answer is given. I'm not satisfied with it. and I don't understand fully also. Collateral to open and maintain position. Collateral to open and maintain position. So please note it. You can get to know about it in
Sir.
detail. Okay. Uh, what is the role of derivatives in speculation?
The role of
Role,
derivative.
role, role of
Okay.
derivatives in speculation. Investors take on risk to profit from price movements. That is given as
To
the role of
mitigate,
derivatives.
to mitigate the risk,
Yeah,
like mitigate the risk of the fluctuation with the help of hedging and arbitrage. These are the rule to avoid the speculations.
very good. What is volatility in derivatives trading?
Volatility, market price fluctuation.
Price fluctuation. Good, very nice. You have been able to answer almost all the questions nicely. Why should we select you?
Sir,
Why should
for
we give preference? Only there are two vacancies. Why
uh,
should we give preference to what is your name, Sadhana?
uh,
Yeah,
sir, I have 8-year experience in treasury only. I worked in back office. I work in front office.
no, but do not mention about back office.
Okay, okay,
Because the moment you say back office, normally most of us have not so positive views about the work.
okay.
You understand? For example, I was in a faculty for a long
Mm,
time. I was happy because happy because most of the time the workload will be limited.
mm,
So, and I was getting along, but the management was thinking people who work in back office or positions like this, they lack initiative, they lack drive, they lack risk-taking ability. This is what the thinking of the higher ups are. Maybe it is right, maybe it is not wrong. I mean, it is right or wrong. It can be anyway, whatever it is. So don't tell about back office. Tell about whatever you are doing in the front office, and you are answering most of the questions. I mean, 95% you have been able to tell me to my satisfaction. Now the question is, why should we give preference to you?
sir,
You
I
should
have.
you should add some of your strengths. You should be able to tell, I am good in communication. I am interested in taking a risk. I am also willing to learn new things, and I am I am willing to put forth my maximum efforts for making gains on the something like that. You have to add. These are all not exactly measurable points, but फिर भी आप बताना. समझ गया?
Okay.
Whatever good points you have, you must be able to tell about that. You can tell, I am good in problem solving, I'm good in critical thinking, like that. You must appreciate yourself. Normally, we don't. But
Mm.
this place, you are selling your skills, you are marketing your skills. So you have to highlight that and tell more. That's what it, and you must be able to do that very well. But one, you are very young. I mean, appearance wise, I don't know what is your age, around 28.
Huh?
You are 28 or 29.
I'm 31.
Oh, Baba. Appearance wise, you look very young. So that's why I told you like that. So you will be able to impress them provided you smile like this and be confident. You know how people would like themselves to be treated. That's the basic. So if you do that, you can succeed. It's not a problem. What are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses is like I'm not focused in one thing. Like I complete my work, but like whenever I do something in my mind, something goes out. I have to do this. I have to do that also. Like my work is
Concentration.
always,
You say
uh,
concentration is not there.
yeah. My work is always in a multitasking way only because in office only, what's happened? Someone is calling me. You have to do this. You have to do that. So sometimes I just break that alignment. It get break out. But at the end of the day, I just complete my work. That's the good thing.
That's who is your role model?
Role model, I
No,
can't.
not relatives, not relatives. It can be somebody in business. It can be somebody in politics. No, somebody in business or banking or other areas, uh, or your own previous bosses or present bosses, without telling their name. You can tell.
My role model is one of my chief manager. She's a lady. She's in research only actually. I've never worked under her, but she's very knowledgeable and consistent. When she work in a very pressure, like whenever the environment is like very heavy, like pressure. There's a lot of pressure under GM because they give the deadline. You have to do the things on same day. But
So
that pressure.
now you have raised one point, research. So what do you think you will be expected to do in research in State Bank of India?
In research, I'm expected that I have to do the analysis all the regarding the currency, what the currency fluctuation, and even the economic indicator I have to look so that it will be helpful for the dealers who are working in treasuries. So all the economic indicator, all the news, I should be up to date and make a proper research report for them on daily basis. So it
Super,
should be helpful for them.
super. That's nice. Correct. What do you know about our bank, State Bank of India?
State Bank is one of the largest bank, and State Bank, like I can say, I've when I was started a preparation for bank, I've read a lot from since the beginning. It is a first imperial bank, like merger of Bank of Madras, Bank of Calcutta, and Bank of Bombay.
Don't talk about old because nobody has time about present.
Okay.
Now come to the present level. Talk.
Present level is one of the strongest bank we can say. DISIB Bank is systematically important bank SBI, and it has a vast forex as compared to other banks. And in PN, I have to do the comparison of my bank or what?
No, not no. You should not compare, but
Uh,
simply tell about the State Bank of India means who is the chairman of that, where is its headquarters, of course, simple thing. Then
okay,
how many branches, how many ATMs, what is the total business, what is the total GNPA. I have given you the details that as on 30th September. Have I not given you the details?
no sir, no.
Oh, mistake.
Okay,
1 minute, hold on. I have given for SBI PO people,
okay,
but how is it I missed? 1 minute, hold on. Uh, hold on. Yeah, I have it here, ready-made. Because right now our SBI PO is going on. And in fact, I completed SBI CBO. You know how many got through us? 34 people, not one, two. 34 candidates selected through this group.
oh,
Out and about 24 could not get selected. That is the thing. I am giving you this information in your WhatsApp.
okay sir, thank you.
Yeah, you will see therein. I have given you about what is the total deposit, total advances as on 30th September. Then what is the CASA ratio? What is CASA ratio?
CASA is current account and saving account.
Uh,
I don't know
CASA
what's it.
ratio means CASA ratio means current account and savings account divided by total deposits into 100. Okay,
Total deposit into 100. Okay.
that is what is the percentage of CASA to the total deposits. In State Bank of India, it is 39.63% as on 30th September. I suggest you get to know about PNB also.
Yeah, sir.
PNB, I'm not having now here because there was no need. Then, what is the GNPA of State Bank of India 1.73. Net NPA is 0.42. You know by chance what is NNPA, net NPA, or how it is a
Net banking?
NPA?
No, sir,
I think
don't
you
know.
have not studied advances, you don't know. Advances, loans, कुछ भी नहीं जानते हैं. Oh,
Never work also.
doesn't matter. I wish they don't go into that. But these questions are basic questions we ask even for probationary officers.
Okay, okay. I
See,
just read.
you must know what is gross NPA. Gross NPA is the say you know the definition of NPA at least.
Yes, non-performing asset.
Definition.
Non-performing asset.
तो बोलना है where the installment due has not been repaid for 90 days and above.
अच्छा.
ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ना है आप कहाँ से
Okay.
पढ़ेंगे आप थोड़ा देख लीजिए. And that amount, the total of that amount is known as gross NPA.
अच्छा.
And from that, banks are supposed to provide, once the account becomes a substandard asset. Standard asset is one where the installments are repaid properly and there is no problem. Whereas substandard is one where the installment has not been repaid for 90 days. This is other than agricultural loans. The case of agricultural loans for short-term loans, that is to be adjusted in 6 months. For 2 crop seasons, if it is remaining overdue, then it is called as NPA. In respect of long-term loans, like say sugarcane growing and all, if it is outstanding for more than 1 crop season, it becomes NPA. Once an account becomes NPA, bank has to provide the funds from based on whether it is a secured advance or unsecured advance. So when that provision amount is subtracted from gross NPA, you will get net NPA. What is gross NPA percentage? Gross NPA figure divided by total advances. Gross NPA is total NPA divided by the total advances into 100 is known as GNPA percentage.
अच्छा.
Similarly, NNPA is GNPA minus the provisions will give you net NPA. Net NPA figure divided by total advances into 100 will give you net NPA percentage. That figure only I was telling you. It is like 1.73 and 0.42 percentage. You know, have you heard of CAR? सुना है कभी? नहीं. CAR, capital adequacy ratio. ये तो बहुत बात चलते हैं इसका.
हाँ, CAR, capital adequacy ratio, correct.
State Bank of India के लिए 14.62%.
14.
And State Bank of India has achieved landmark in this off year by crossing 100 trillion mark in total business. Normally banking में total business बोलने से deposit plus advances. ये figure अभी 100 trillion का ज़्यादा चला गया. Another point is total of agriculture and MSME advances has crossed rupees 25 lakh crore. So that is the figure they have given in their press release. That's what I am telling you. Okay,
sir.
Very good. So best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you,
You have asked for one more session on 4:20 p.m. on 23rd. Very good. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye. You did well. I will select you, but depending on number of other seniors, who have got more exposure like that. It depends.
I need to practice a lot so that they will also get happy to see
Yeah,
me. Huh?
yeah, this is okay. You are
Thank you, sir.
answering very well. Best
Sir,
wishes.
one
Yeah,
thing I
you,
just want to ask for introduction, what points I should add?
good. In the introduction, normally we ask people tell their name, the place to which they belong, native place.
Uh,
Then come to the present position you are holding. I am now working as manager in Punjab National Bank. From so and so, I was assistant manager in Union Bank of India, so and so, and I also worked in some other institution you told. So that also you can mention that. Prior to joining that first starting bank, I had completed my post graduation or graduation in this. If you are telling about post graduation, then your marks in graduation, you should tell post graduation in this subject passed in this year from this college. Similarly, graduation passed out in this year and with this much percentage if you have scored over 70 and in which college. That much will do. Plus two and all may not be required. Then
but
you,
one more,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Actually, in 10th, 12th, my percentage was very less. Like in 10th standard, my percentage was 42, and in 12th, it was 55.
Don't talk about it. That's why I'm telling 12th ko mat bolo. If your percentage is not over 70, mat bolo. Simply say I completed graduation.
But
That
they
will
will
do.
see my mark sheet also, no? They will ask why there is a less percentage.
That if they go through the biodata, for biodata you have given, application you have given, they can ask you. Then you have to explain why it was less.
Okay.
I don't know what is the reason. What could have been the reason? In graduation, how much percentage?
It was 52.
You are an average boy, average girl only. So I need not ask. You have been like that only. You are not so bright a boy scoring 95, 100. So it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Just tell, yeah, post graduation किया नहीं किया.
क्या पोस्ट MBA किया है
MA in which subject?
इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस
Oh, अब तो international. अभी तो उसमें से क्वेश्चन पूछने का उम्मीद नहीं है. But there is no time. Maximum they will spend 15 to 20 minutes.
हाँ
And within that, they can't talk more than this. So this is how introduction has to go. Then if at all they allow you time, they won't allow. You can tell about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
my hobbies like to read books any like fictional and non-fictional and I like walking also like in morning I go for walking that is my prime thing
Who is your favorite film hero?
Philippines
Hero. Favorite
अच्छा
hero.
favorite hero is Hrithik Roshan and I watch the Korean also so only me know
Oh, it's very good. Best wishes. Nothing else. You are doing very well.
so I have to come
You are in Bombay. What is
yeah
current news about Maharashtra?
current news about Maharashtra
Just like that gossip. It's only gossip. They will ask like this. And if at all you remember something, you tell.
अच्छा
And I think you have been following the banking update I am providing every day. No,
मैं
I have been providing in the newspaper too. Lot of newspapers, including the current of, the banking update, which tells about points that are important for interview. At least from today, you start reading.
Okay, sir, actually it was not, I was not able to open that. It was showing to open in Google Drive. That is why I didn't,
You mean
there,
that you banking update?
you have sent in
No,
the
no,
group
banking front line. Every day I send it. 1 minute.
because unable to open whenever I just try to open.
Oh, oh. ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Newspaper. Do you read newspapers?
Yes, I
No.
read every
Huh?
day.
Every day.
Yes,
Achha? Which newspaper?
I use actually that Mint regarding for market or investing.com and even like That also news, what we call Hindus also.
So this one, I'll make it bigger.
Okay, sir.
This one. Are you seeing economy? No?
No.
आपको no, it's not. Then I will show you here. I will show you. I can show it here also. Newspaper. Yeah. Just a minute. No, but in interviews, they dwell on these areas and then ask questions. Yeah. I will show you this.
Banking frontline. Okay, sir.
Banking frontline. It's a very good one. It tells about RBI does not target any level for Indian rupees, says Governor Malhotra. What is it? You please read. Core sector growth hits 14-month low. Then India and Israel to begin FTA negotiations. Ink terms for reference, Piyush Goyal says. Who is Piyush Goyal and all also you should know. You should go through the union ministers list. Names. Then 19 private banks can now offer capital gains account scheme. Then if you tell this, they will ask what is capital gains account scheme. Uska बारे में अब पढ़ना है. Small finance banks Q2 profit plunged 55% on rising cost. PSB exchange prepares for 2026 launch with 3 lakh crore ambition. तो क्या चीज है? पढ़ लीजिए. Kotak Federal Bank in talks to acquire Deutsche Bank's India's retail and wealth portfolios. In a first, commercial banks credit deposit breaches 80% mark. Credit deposit crosses. इसका मतलब ये है अभी ज्यादा लोन चलने लग गया. Banks are giving more loans. Then TCS and TPG announced partnership to invest $2 billion into data center subsidiary Hypervolt. पता नहीं क्या है. Then Walmart jumps to Nasdaq in biggest exchange transfer. Not required for you. RIL stops importing Russian crude oil for export-oriented SEZ refinery. So if they ask some gossip about export-import, this will be approved. Then Nagaraju chairs meet on foreign bank expansion. Who is Nagaraju? Financial Secretary, Financial Services Secretary M. Nagaraju. Prior to that, it was Mr. Ajay Seth. He has now gone to IRDAI as chairman. Then DP norms nudge insurance firms to boost technical systems and consent frameworks. CAG urges center states to follow uniform system for recording expenses. That's all. Depression that is there for all of us. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
The interview was good.
Yeah. Thank you. It was good. You answered very well. You must be selected, but it depends. If they don't select, that is good for you. ऐसा सोचना है. समझ गया? Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm stopping.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. But one thing, why is it you get angry very quickly? You get anger